I request our guest Isu sir to come on the dais. I request our managing committee member Alok Mehta to escort him.
Morning, everybody.
Good morning. Respected today's guest, Sri P. Suji sir, respected President, Dr. Shashank sir, respected Chairman Vinayak Patkar sir, GST Committee, respected Vice President, Sri Pranav Kapadia, respected Treasurer, Sri Pradeep Bhai Kapadia, respected Joint Secretary, Sri Rajbhai Shah, respected senior in profession, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, and my fellow colleagues. Friends, it's given me indeed great pleasure to extend to you all a very warm welcome on behalf of SCPM for our 2 full-day seminar on model GST law. Before proceeding, I want to refer the words of Leonardo da Vinci. There is no higher or lower knowledge, but one only flowing out of experimentation. With this, we are marching towards our inaugural session. I request our President, Don Sahib, to take over the proceeding.
Good morning to all. Today's chief guest, our senior member, P.C. Doshi sir, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, my colleagues, seniors in the profession, and my friends. I welcome you all for this 2-day seminar on GST. It is indeed a pleasure to address seminar on GST, a game-changing indirect tax reform. The story of GST in India began in the year 2000, when the Vajpayee government started discussion on GST by setting up import committee at that time. The much awaited GST now become a law, with President signing the GST bill, and after more than 16 states ratified that. The Government of India released a model GST law in June 2016. Since then, many more documents such as draft GST return, refund, registration, payment of invoice rules, FAQs on GST, and various forms and formats have been issued in the public domain for the information of taxpayers, professionals, and implementing authorities, with a view to make them GST ready. It is always our endeavor to update the knowledge of our members, as it is said that knowledge brings wisdom. We have now taken up the responsibility to educate our members and public at large about the proposed GST regime by conducting lectures, workshops, intensive studies course at various locations in Maharashtra. Our aim is to reach to every single practitioner and business person in every corner of Maharashtra. You can see our next few days or next few months calendar, which is filled with GST seminars. We have also come out with compilation of GST provision like model draft GST law, various rules, forms, formats, and additives issued by the government. The purpose of this compilation is to make all material available up to date in one book. I hope that this compilation will immensely benefit the members as well as the public at large. And we have given that compilation with our study material. I will be failing in my duty if I do not recognize the support of Chairman of GST Committee, Sri Vinayak Patkar, conveners of GST Committee, Sri Vinod Maske and Sri Ashish Shah, office bearers, Sri Pranav Kapadia, Sri Pradeep Kapadia, Sri Raj Shah, and Sri Dinesh Kamble, and the entire managing committee of our SCPM and our SCPM staff in organizing such seminars. Last but not least, my sincere thanks to today's chief guest, our senior member Sri P.C. Doshi sir, and to all the learned speakers who have readily accepted our invitation and spare time to enrich our members on the new law. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Request our joint convener Ashish Shah to introduce today's guest as well as the speaker.
Shubh Prabhat. It is indeed a pleasure to introduce a very eminent and a vibrant personality who is our chief guest as well as the first speaker. He has started his practice in the year 1959. At that time I was not born also. He has been the past president of the eminent professional bodies in Mumbai, like our own Sales Tax Practitioner Association of Maharashtra, Sales Tax Tribunal Bar Association, All India Tax Practitioners and Chamber of Income Tax Consultants. He has been honored as a Man of Millennium at the National Convention of All India Federation of Tax Practitioners in the year 1999. He has adjudged as a best speaker of the study circle meeting organized by our association. In 2004, he has been invited as a Law Society of England and Wales as a speaker on VAT. And he was the first Indian advocate to receive such invitation, and thereafter he attended the international conference at Paris, Switzerland and Germany. In November 2005, he has represented AIFTP at the international conference at Manila, where he is honored by the internationally known journal Newsweek by publishing his photograph on the front cover page of the special edition covering the proceedings of the Manila conference. Friends, with this brief introduction, I welcome you none other Mr. P.C. Joshi. I request all of you to invite him with a loud applause. As a mark of our love and affection, I request our President to offer him a statement. Now I request all the dignitaries on the dais to inaugurate our session first.
GST model bylaws, FAQs, and all other material which is published by the government is compiled in one book for ready reference. Sir, please. Real. Now we will felicitate Seliji Gedia, Chartered Accountant, for his outstanding and dedicated efforts in representing before Finance Minister, Commissioner of Sales Tax, and helping us in representation always. I request Pranav Bhai to introduce him first.
A very good morning to all of you. I request Mr. Ashik Shah to kindly escort Shri Shailesh Bhai Gedia to the dais. respected dignitaries on the dais, our chief guest, Advocate Shri P.C. Joshi sir, President Shri Shashank Dod, Treasurer Shri Pradeep Bhai Kapadia, Joint Secretary Raj Shah, Dinesh Tamde in his absence, conveners Ashik Shah and Vinod Maske, and one more dignitary on the dais we have today with us is CA Shailesh Kedia. Well friends, most of you who have been into sales tax practice would definitely be knowing Shailesh Bhai. Just to give a brief introduction of the achievements of Shailesh Bhai and the work that he has been continuously doing for us, for our fraternity, for us as professionals. I think I'll just go through his biodata and you'll know. CA Shailesh Ramji Kedia is a practicing chartered accountant since 1983. He is into taxation practice and also conducts concurrent and internal audit of nationalized banks and cooperative banks, project financing, and he is also an insurance surveyor. He has been a lecturer in accountancy at MVLU College and SNDT College. He has also been a panel arbitrator on the stock exchange. If I just go through the list, I think this reads of around 36 items or points where he has been associated actively in various organizations at various levels, in various committees, either as the head of the committee or as a committee member. I'll just go through few of them. Currently, he is the convener of the BJP professional cell and the investors cell of at Maharashtra level. He was earlier at the Mumbai level from 2003 to 2005, and from 2005 onwards till date, he is the convener of the BJP professional cell. He is the chief coordinator of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan under the WRC of CA Institute for the current year. He has been given the record, he has been appreciated by the WRC of CA Institute as recognition of CAs in social service. He is the founder, general secretary, and and also now the vice president of Investors Grievance Forum. He is into the panel of RBI NBFC committee. He has been on the Sales Tax Advisory Board of Maharashtra State Government, on the MTNL Advisory Board, ITBI panel nominee director on ACBARS, special executive officer of Maharashtra State Government. He has also been the honorary joint secretary of the Sales Tax Practitioners Association of Maharashtra. He has been our joint secretary during the period from 1993 to 1995. He was also a convener earlier from the period up to 93. And as I was speaking to him, the intensive study circle that we are having today, the concept of intensive study circle that we are having today is that we have a group leader and we have a chairman, a monitor. And this concept was introduced by CA Shailesh Bhai Kedia. And in this intensive study course, we have seen group leaders coming at that point of time, who are, and all of them, major of them, except P.C. Joshi sir, who was also a chairman at that point of time, but all other speakers that we are seeing today, Deepak Bhai Thakkar, C.B. Thakkar, Nikita Madam, Patkar sir, all of them have been the group leaders in that intensive study circle, and today we are all seeing them on this dais of GST, and we really need to appreciate Shailesh Bhai for this, for finding out these gems for us. Apart from this, he is also honorary consultant to various industrial manufacturing associations, and he has been awarded the State Trainer by the Indian Junior Chamber. He has also been a co-author of compilation of schedules under the sales tax law published by the Sales Tax Practitioners Association of Maharashtra. Apart from all these achievements, we have seen him very actively. He has been very proactive in making representations to the government, to the Commissioner of Sales Tax, and to the finance minister, and also to the finance ministers. Recently, we have seen that there was ambient automation, there was a settlement scheme, and the GST has been introduced. Or for each of these three projects which the government is handling, Shailesh Bhai has played a very proactive role in approaching and making representation to the government. We have had meetings with the finance ministers also, and for the extension of the amnesty scheme, we had been to the finance minister's residence, and that is the approach of Shailesh Bhai, a very proactive approach, and he is always available for the association and in recognition of all his efforts. And apart from this, he has not only taken the STPM along with him for all these representations, but also various other professional bodies like the BCA, the CTC, and various other professional associations along with him for all these representations. And in recognition of that, I, on my personal behalf and on behalf of the Sex Practitioners Association of Maharashtra, would like to present appreciation memento to Shri Shailesh Bhai Gedia. I request our President, Dr. Shashank Dhod, to kindly offer him the memento, to present him the memento. Thank you, Dhod sir.
Wish to all of you and this Celtex Practitioner Association.
Sir, please, sir, would you please like to share some thoughts? Please.
President of our distinguished association, Sri Shashank Dhod, and office bearers on the dais, our guest speaker, Sri Praful Bhai, and our everybody's guide, friends and philosopher, and friends, all of you. Today I am very much overwhelmed by this honor. It's really, don't express my feelings, but I feel that it is something I started remembering my days in Mazgaon Celtex Library, room number 104, and Bhatki Chai and Ukala. It was a really pleasure, memorable events for me, and also a guiding force for the work, whatever the projects I am undertaking today. The base foundation is Celtex Practitioner Association. I also remember our Bandhu Triputi, Sri Janak Bhai, Ramesh Bhai and Danesh Bhai. They are really, and all of you, see, I have worked with many organizations, but here in Celtex Association you find in real sense friends and guide without any expectation for any junior level. It is even I think the same trend continues even as on today also. Whether you approach PC Joshi, our say late PC Joshi, or anybody, they used to guide you. Even my junior level, at the time of my junior practice also, that time also, I had many times I had referred Praful Bhai also, BC Joshi sir also, Surte sir also, and Dev Lunawatji. Without any expectation, they guided how to go ahead, what to do, and in practice. And that not only on legal point, but also on how to do practice, how to tackle client. So sir, I have learned many things from Celtex Association. I am very much proud, privileged to be member of this organization. I have learned many things. Friends, one thing, two, three things I should say at this occasion. Over a period of years, I have seen we are fighting for the causes of the business class community, traders. Whatever representations we are doing, that is done for which will directly benefit to them. If they are not implemented, Celtex practitioners would be gaining. So for them, but I have seen in number of cases every time, they are not bothered at all. No trade associations or trade peoples come forward and request Celtex Association to take lead. We do it on our own, that's all. But I now request our president also, we go together with the various associations and make representation. And we can create awareness amongst them, what should be done, so that will create more weightage for our practitioners also, क्योंकि कभी भी it is like that कि जो भी मिलता है ट्रेडर एसोसिएशन ऐसे ही मिल जाता है, तो they don't value our services also. So in future they can value our also. And secondly, on the department side also, we should, many times we have seen that they are considering our practitioners at discounted value. They are boss, no doubt, but we are also not lesser than them. They are collecting revenue, but at the same time, our practitioners are helping department and government to make a smooth recovery of the revenue. So we can be considered at the other side of the coin. So why they should consider at our discounted value? We should have our own respects. We should be created. Friends, now the days will be over sooner or later. होता है, चलता है, and that corruptive practices